everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to make this simple recipe, bell pepper, Italian fried bell pepper. So the ingredients are black pepper, salt, you can use 1 color of bell pepper, about 4 cloves of garlic, and oregano, and of course extra virgin of olive oil. So I've already cleaned the pepper. Now I'm going to slice them. This is how you need to slice them, or you can just slice them any how you want. Okay, it's your choice. So I'm done slicing the peppers, and these are all the ingredients. You just need few ingredients for this, and tasted so delicious, guys, like very delicious. So over my pan I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of extra virgin of olive oil. Allow them to heat up a little and add your cloves of garlic. You need to roast that garlic for about 2 minutes. Just make sure you roast them very well. Okay. So the garlic is well roasted. Now it's time to add our bell peppers. So I added the bell peppers. I'm going to give them a quick stir and season them with salt and black pepper. If you don't like black pepper, you can skip the black pepper. Okay, just season them with only salt. So after adding the seasoning, guys, go ahead to make sure that you stir them very well. Okay, after stirring them, I'm going to put the heat down and allow this to cook for 20 minutes. Please don't cook them in a very high heat. Okay, make sure that they are cooking in a moderated heat or the lowest heat. I know 20 minutes is sound too much as well, but it's worth cooking for 20 minutes. So there I added a little bit, half teaspoon of oregano, and I'm going to allow them now. After stirring them, I'm going to allow them to cook for that 20 minutes. So this is about 18 minutes of cooking the peppers, guys. This is the aroma that was coming out of my house was like amazing. So I'm trying to test if the salt is enough. The salt wasn't enough for me, so I added a little bit more salt to it and allowed them to cook for extra 2 minutes, and voila, our pepper is almost ready. So guys, this is the final step. The peppers are ready and they taste so delicious, guys, like super delicious. You can serve this pepper with chicken, or you can serve them as side dish, or you can have them whichever way you want. But here in Italy we normally have them with some bread, and with bread, it's so delicious with bread. I actually had this with bread. This type of bread I'm going to be showing you guys now, and it was so amazing, like amazing. I had this for dinner, the bread and this bell pepper. I didn't eat all the bell pepper by myself, okay, but this is so delicious and it's simple to make, and it takes just few ingredients to prepare. So I hope you give this a try, and this is a vegan friendly recipe as well. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.